Today, we're covering a basic but super important skill: how to import and organize your media in the Canva video editor. Whether you're adding your own videos, photos, or music, this step keeps your workflow smooth and stress free. Let's jump right in. Start by opening Canva and creating a new video design. Now, head over to the Uploads tab on the left side of the screen. This is where you'll bring in all your own content. Click the Upload Files button to choose videos, photos, or audio files from your computer. You can also drag and drop files straight into this area. It's really convenient. Once your files finish uploading, they'll appear in the Uploads tab and stay there for future use. To start using your media, just drag and drop it from the Uploads panel onto the canvas or timeline, and that's it. Your media is now imported and organized, ready for editing inside Canva. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beginner-friendly Canva tips.